Good morning, everyone, especially to you, sir. Chapter 11, Implementation, Problem Solving, and Audit Inspection. Learning Objectives. Student should be able to understand the importance of implementation, problem solving, and audit or inspection. Program implementation. Top management's responsibility. The top management should always be interested in the implementation of any security program. They must extend complete support to the program on a continuing basis. They must be willing to take actions to ensure that employees at the other levels comply with the requirements that have been established for the protection of personnel and other assets. Involvement of others. Non-security employees can be great assistant in the implementation of security program, and their active participation can contribute to its success. Thus, it is important to keep other employees aware and involved. Setting priorities and meeting schedules. The higher the criticality rating of the identified vulnerability, the higher its priority in the implementation of countermeasures. It is important also that the time frame established be met, otherwise it could affect the entire program. Like for example, in the construction site, you must set priorities and meeting schedule to avoid some accident inside the construction site. Drills and rehearsals. Some areas of the security program would need regular drills or rehearsal which simulate anticipated condition, crisis management, fire drill, bomb treating, handling, and response to the robbery. Validation and updating of plans. During program implementation, opportunities arise to improve countermeasures or reinforce those found effective. If new conditions present themselves, necessary adjustments sometimes need to be made in the security program. Program evaluation. At the end of the timetable or drills, rehearsals, and the security program or part of it need to be evaluated. Like for example, if you are conducting some drills and rehearsal to that kind of facility, you must program evaluate it to determine if it is effective and useful as a security. Problem solving and decision making. Problem solving techniques. There are 7 types of problem solving techniques. 1. Number 1, clearly defining problem. Number 2, gathering information. Number 3, interpretation. Number 4, developing situation. Number 5, selecting the best solution. Number 6, putting the solution into operation. And lastly, number 7, evaluating the effectiveness. Number 1, clearly defining problem. He ensures he has the complete grasp of the problem at hand. He is able to define and clarify issues involved. Number 2, gathering information. He gathers information through research and interviews. It may require putting the information gathered in document form, in tapes, or indexes. Number 3, interpretation. The gathered information is put together to arrive at the clearer picture and try to ascertain the meaning and related implications. Number 4, developing solution. The security executive may come out with a solution and several alternatives. In these steps, he should be guided by the principles and techniques of effective management and company policies. Number 5, selecting the best solution. From several alternatives, the security executive selects the best practical solution considering the short and long-term effective effect of each possible solution. Number 6, putting the solution into operation. One, the most appropriate solution is chosen. Implementations is next. This is critical as it may involve changes, be difficult to accept. There might be a need to sell the solution to others. Number 7, evaluating the effectiveness. The plan or solution should be reviewed periodically for effectiveness. A comparison between the idea solution and the actual practice may be made. Implementation, problem solving, and audit inspection in security program is important because if no one will implement some security program in that kind of company or facility, that facility must rob or there are some problems that may occur in that kind of facility or company. If there is implementation, there will be a problem solving to solve that kind of problem of the security program of that kind of facility or company. Therefore, we are implementing some programs or some drills and rehearsal to evaluate or to uh, simulate the effectiveness of our implementation. Not only the effectiveness of our implementation of the security program, but also we need to find out the problem or the problem of the security that we made. Be able to found some solution to that kind of problem. Thank you and God bless.